Meet the HEST Foamy For Rivian R2, a custom-fit sleep system designed specifically for the Rivian R2. Featuring dedicated driver and passenger side mattresses, the Foamy For R2 transforms your vehicle into a premium sleeping setup built for road trips, camping, and nights under the stars. The Foamy For R2 sleep system features two unique mattress designs, a driver's side and passenger side, each sold separately and custom-shaped specifically for the Rivian R2 interior layout. Use one side individually or connect both mattresses together to create a full-width sleeping platform for two people. Setting up your Foamy For R2 is quick and easy. Start by unclipping the integrated compression harness and rolling out either the driver or passenger mattress inside your Rivian R2. Allow the memory foam to expand naturally. Next, unclip the headrest strap from inside the pocket and clip the headrest strap into one of the seat buckles attached to the webbing strap. Pass the headrest strap around the base of the front seat headrest and clip to the other webbing buckle. The front seat headrest attachment helps bridge the gap between the folded rear platform and front seats for added comfort and support. For the complete Rivian R2 sleep setup, simply use the integrated linking clips to securely connect the driver and passenger mattresses together. The result is a spacious, double sleeping platform designed for comfortable nights inside your Rivian R2. When it's time to pack up, release the headrest strap from the front seat and clip it into the storage pocket. Tightly roll the mattress from the foot end toward the headrest attachment side. Secure the integrated compression harness by clipping and tightening the straps as needed. The compact roll design makes storage and transport easy between adventures. The Foamy For R2 covers are removable and machine washable. Wash in cold water and hang to dry for best results. Before storing, always make sure mattresses are clean and completely dry.